Today I want to bring you something summery, fresh, seasonal, but still comforting. We're gonna make summer gnocchi. Start by chopping your zucchini. You wanna cut them about this thickness. Get yourself a beautiful lemon. I'm lucky enough this one is from the Amalfi Coast and it smells incredible. We're gonna use the juice and the zest. It might doesn't look like it, yeah? But these smell like summer. Put your pan on a medium heat and add the butter. Once the butter has melted, go in with the zucchini. Add a good pinch of salt and black pepper. Loads of black pepper. Keep the pan on a medium heat and cook those zucchini nice and slow. Add a good touch of lemon zest and loads of fresh basil. Just break it with your hands. Give it a good stir so the lemon zest and the basil, they're gonna mix well. Cover it and let it slow cook while you cook your gnocchi. Give it a mix and wait until they start floating in the water. Go in with the gnocchi. Don't forget to add a good ladle of the gnocchi water. Turn the heat off and let's add the final touches. Go in with lemon juice, loads of cheese, a few more leaves of basil. I like to add it fresh as well. And just a kiss of olive oil. Creamy, fresh, summery, still nice and comforting. Look at that, so beautiful. Oh, this is summer on a plate.